In the quadratic expression, 6n squared minus 5n minus 4, first we look at 4. The pairs of numbers that can give 4 are 1 and 4 and 2 and 2. Similarly, for 6n squared, the two possible pairs are n times 6n or 2n times 3n. The key is the combination of the numbers eventually will need to give us this. So let's write down the sum of n terms eventually will has to be negative 5n. Now let's test out with the first pair. N times 6n to go with 1 times 4. We will end up with something like n and 24n or 4n and 6n, which whether we add or subtract, we will not get 5n. Similarly, if we are going to test n times 6n with 2 times 2, we will end up with 2n and 12n, which whether we add or subtract will not give us 5n. Therefore, this is out. Next, we have 2n times 3n. Let's test with 1 times 4. 2n go with 1 and 3n go with 4. We will get 2n and 12n, which will not give us 5n. If we have 2n go with 4, giving 8n, and 3n with 1, giving 3n, we have a chance of getting 5n. So let's put it down first. 2n go with 4, and 3n go with 1. Let's test out this by start inserting the terms into the frame. So we have 6n squared. We know 6n squared, we will have 2n times 3n. Next, we have negative 4. So to get negative 4, the pairs we had just now, 2n will go with 4, and then 3n will go with 1. So let's multiply them. We get 3n here, and we'll get 8n. So to get negative 5n, we can assign negative to 8n and positive to 3n. With this, we will end up with negative 5n. And since this is positive here, we will put positive here. And since it is negative here, we will put negative here. Next, must check the product of the numbers. Positive 1 times negative 4 gives negative 4, which means these are the factors. And so when factorized, we will get 2n plus 1 times 3n minus 4.